Hello guys. um, it was after 2 months for me to ground these cherry tomatoes in my garden. You see, there are a lot of tomatoes here, but because of not having enough sun in London, I just had a consultation with the backyard gardening admin. So he told me to prune these tomatoes. So I did like this, and I took out extra leaves. I hope they will get enough sun and they will be ready to use after that. You see here. See, were lots of tomatoes, so I took extra. Yeah, I think this way would help. You know, we don't have maybe more than 2-3 weeks from now sun in London, so I hope all these flowers will be ready to give us tomatoes. If you have any comments, do share it for me, please. Thank you.